Hi everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to learn the major differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And before going into detail, we have to look what are the cells and their types. Cells are functional and structural unit of organism. So all the cells contain three common features. They have cell membrane, they have cytoplasm, and they have genetic material. There are two types of cells. Number one, prokaryotic cells, and number two, eukaryotic cells. This pro word means before, and this karyotic word comes from karyon, which means nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are those cells which doesn't contain any nucleus. Their genetic material is freely present within the cytoplasm, and the region where this genetic material is present is called nucleoid. The area where this genetic material is present is called nucleoid. Eukaryotic cells are those cells which have a well-developed nucleus and their genetic material is present within the nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are always unicellular, while the eukaryotic cells present in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. The third difference between these prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cell is in their size. They range in size from 0.2 micrometer to 2 micrometer in diameter, while the size of eukaryotic cells range from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in diameter. Next difference between this prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are cell wall is usually present in prokaryotic cells. Cell wall is usually present in prokaryotic cells, and that cell wall is chemically complexed. In eukaryotic cells, the cell wall is rarely present, but when the cell wall is present in eukaryotic cell, they are very simple in nature. The next difference is about the nucleus. As I told you, the prokaryotic cell doesn't contain nucleus, so nucleus is absent. Instead, they have nucleoid. The region where the genetic material is present is called nucleoid. In the same manner, as we have discussed, the eukaryotic cell contains a well-developed nucleus. The plasmids are mostly present in prokaryotic cells, while in eukaryotic cells, the plasmids are rarely present. The cell division in prokaryotic cell occurs through binary fission. In eukaryotic cell, cell division takes place through mitosis or meiosis. The example of prokaryotic cell, bacteria, and the example of eukaryotic cell are plant and animal cell. So this is all about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. I hope you understand this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Learn Science with me, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.